Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming my Ipsy bag unboxing for you guys. I'm super excited. This is like really heavy. Like there's a lot in here, it feels like. I don't know what's in here though, but we're gonna jump into this bag and see what's going on. So we got this. It's like heavy. This is like one of the heaviest bags I think I've ever gotten. Alright, we got this little pattern. So there's this little card. Alright, the first thing is cotton candy blush. I want to see this. I love pink. So hopefully it's super pink. Phase 0 makeup. Oh, that's cute. It's so light. Let's see if I can swatch it. So it's like really light pink. It's pretty. I don't know if you, there we go. You can kind of see this. But it's really cute. I like it. So cotton candy blush. Then we've got Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Babe Alert. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that color. That is a good color. Can't wait to use that. Then this is what makes it so heavy. We have Vitamin C Essential C Cleaner from Murad. You can use it in the AM and the PM. Massage all over your face and your neck. Rinse and pat dry. Obviously avoid your eyeballs. But I love vitamin C stuff, so I can't wait to use this cleanser. The only thing I don't love is the exfoliating beads, because then I can't use my Clarisonic with it, but that's okay. Next is What's the Tea? Ooh La La from The Balm. Oh, that's so cute. I love this. That's adorable. Ooh La La. It's an eyeshadow. It's a mini warm shade. So that's what that looks like. It's nice and brown. You can kind of see that pink blush in between, I think, now, but I don't know. It could just be me. But that is super cute. I really like this packaging. Isn't that adorable? I love it. It's infused with chamomile. That's super adorable. And last but not least is sleeping mask. That's interesting. There's like little pill capsules on it. So I have to try these out and see how they work. I don't know, but that's really cool. I've never seen these in my whole life, so that should be fun to try out. It's by Birch, I think. Birch? I don't know. Some brand I've never heard of. So that's cool. So we got face masks, face cleanser, eyeshadow, blush, and a lip color that's like super pretty. So this is what I got in my Ipsy bag this month. Some really good stuff actually. I'm super excited about this color and this. And I'm excited about all of this stuff. Who doesn't like skincare and makeup, right? I don't know. But that's some awesome stuff, and this bag is really cute. I like the little leaves on it for some reason. It reminds me of this coloring app that I've been doing, that Paint by, I think it's called Paint by Number. It might be something else, but it's a coloring app, and this is what reminds me of it. Everything looks like this that I've been coloring lately. So, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. And enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys!